This video will explain each jump types and Jumpmaster feature. Jumpmaster feature provides 3 jump types: HAHO, halo, static. According to the task requirements to choose jump types. Jump types. HAHO, high altitude high opening. The Jumpmaster jumps from a very high altitude and opens the parachute at a high altitude. You must set a DIP and a drop altitude of at least 1,000 feet. The drop altitude is assumed to be the same as the opening altitude. Common values for a drop altitude range from 12,000 to 24,000 feet AGL. Halo, high altitude low opening. The Jumpmaster jumps from a very high altitude and opens the parachute at a low altitude. The required information is the same as the HAHO jump type, plus an opening altitude. The opening altitude must not be greater than the drop altitude. Common values for an opening altitude range from 2,000 to 6,000 feet AGL. Static. Jumpmaster jumps from a low altitude, and using static line to immediately open the parachute after jumping off. The wind speed and direction are assumed to be constant for the duration of the jump. The drop altitude must be at least 1,000 feet. That's it. Thanks for watching.